Hello and welcome to my video. In this video we going to learn how to turn off mouse acceleration in Windows 10. Mouse acceleration is a feature used to enhance the mouse pointer precision. It changes the mouse pointer moving rate based on the speed you are moving your mouse. Let's start. Go to Start menu button and then search Settings. Once you get the settings in the search result, click to open. Click on Devices and then Mouse. Under the mouse settings, click the additional mouse options. Click on Pointer Options tab. Under the motion, uncheck the Enhance Pointer Precision box. Click on Apply and then OK. Now, your mouse pointer will move exactly as you move your mouse on the table. That's all for now. Keep watching our videos for more tips and tricks. Please subscribe and like our video.